Learn about weather. Snow by Christopher Hernandez, illustrated by Richard Watson. Snow is for falling on a cold winter day. Snow is for riding on your favorite sleigh. Snow is for rolling into a ball just like this. Snow is for throwing. Make sure not to miss. Snow is for making a new friend just like you. Snow is for making a snow angel or two. Snow is for catching on the tip of your tongue. Snow is for feeling like everyone is young. Snow is for building just like you do with sand. Snow is for creating a winter wonderland. Learn more about snow. Snow is a form of ice that falls from clouds. Ice is frozen water. Snowflakes come in different shapes and sizes. No two snowflakes are the same. A heavy snowstorm is called a blizzard. The best way to learn about the weather is to go out and play in it. The end.